Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Beats Solo 3 not turning off. To fix Beats Solo 3 not turning off, you have to follow some steps. First you can try to reset the headphone. For that you have to press and hold the power button and the volume button simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the LED light flashes. After that you have to try charge the headphone. Connect the headphone to a power source using the provided USB cable and let them charge for few hours. After that, you can try to update the firmware, connect the headphone to your device and use the Beats updater to check for and install any available update. After updating, you have to disconnect it from all the devices, forget the Beats Solo 3 from all the paired devices and then try turning them off. Then you have to check for any physical issue, inspect the power button and ensure it is not stuck or damaged because sometimes issue with the hardware can cause the issue. Hopefully this step will help you to fix Beat Solo 3 not turning off. Hopefully this video help you. Thanks for watching.